Oh, hi there. So today we're gonna cook teriyaki chicken. So here I'm making my own teriyaki sauce. Crushed ginger, garlic, sugar, honey, um, cornstarch, soy sauce, and some water. And I also added a bit of sesame oil, which it didn't show. And here I'm marinating a chicken breast. I cut chicken breast into half and marinating with salt, pepper, and some chicken spice, and also I'm adding this olive oil and of course sesame oil. So here I'm and at the same time, if you can see, I'm also stirring my chicken teriyaki sauce there. So here after that I sliced it and pour over the teriyaki sauce that I made. This is my son's favorite teriyaki chicken. Here it is. Enjoy. Bon appetito. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.